3-in-1 wireless charger. Introducing charging station for multiple devices. Unique design with elegant appearance. It's about 7 centimeters breadth, 3 centimeters height, and 15 centimeters length, suitable for any conditions. Fast charging. It's deliver up to 15 watts, micro extension, and macro energy. You can charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds at one time. Two viewing orientations provide portrait and landscape modes while charging. Protection of overcharging ensures the batteries from damage. You can enjoy your charging experience safely. In the past, you suffered with so many long charging cables. Now we have 3-in-1 wireless charger. It's the best choice for home, office, and traveling. Foldable wireless charger refuses messy wires, universal compatibility. It's flashless, messless, and of course wireless. This charger is compatible with iPhone 8 and above, Apple Watch Series 8 to say and AirPods 3 to Pro versions. Thanks for watching.